Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Elianti Adelina Dorothy, kelas 12 IPA 4. Here I will review a novel. Book title Laskar Pelangi, author Andrea Hirata, publisher The Library Landscape, thick book 534 page. The novel work of Andrea Hirata with a thick book of 534 pages contains a very interesting story. The story is in this novel is the true story of an author in pursuit of his dream to the French state. This lively story thought to be used as a very interesting film by renowned director Mira Lesmana and Riri Riza. This novel is able to make the reader feel like drifting and carried into the story inside. Andrea Hirata is someone who likes a dream in the run of his life. However, the dream she will try to become a reality. In the novel, she is more telling about his post in Belitung. So, the story is in this novel is true. True is the same as the original place of the occurrence of the incident. The language style of Andrea Hirata is considered good style and very interesting. In it, besides using Indonesian language, also use Malay language, which makes the reader look a little confusion and having to gauge what's the intent of the language. However, in every sense of the Malay language used there is always the lowest di kalimat, so after reading the sense of the language we can guess the Malay language was once again a little less understandable. There is a growth in the novel is a mix of growth, but the more dominant plot forward. The author used a first-person perspective because the author is a flagship star in this story, so that the story for readers curious would like to finish reading it. The novel contains many useful men that despair in advance if they wish to achieve the desired dream. The way the author describes a character in the story is different in way commonly used by other authors. The main character of the story is named Kurs. He was a boy, a top boy, clever, brave, and want to learn for the sake of a dream that like to diwujudkannya. The character of Latitude is a boy, a very smart boy, genius, daring, but because of the keadaan that makes him dropping out of school. Figure Mahar was a boy, smart boy singing, intelligent, and like against it. Ting Yusen mystery. Bumus is a woman who is very good, wise, and I will love teacher Papil, Stadin, and many others. Story in Laskar Pelangi begins from the life of a boy named Kurs, who started the school with have to 10 children who went to Eton School. In school, the crows, with Aeneas, crows Sahara, Trapani, Lake, Wonday, Mahar, Latitude, Borek, Akyong, Pumus, Harpanpek, and the parents waiting if there is once more person who would like to attend school in this primary Muhammadiyah, if not up to 10 children. Then they will not be able to attend school because SD Muhammadiyah will finish it. They wait for such a long time. Finally, a man witty was 15 years old and somewhat retarded mentality saved his friends, also named Elementary School Muhammadiyah. Course and friends, his friend is very happy. Finally, they can attend school in the primary Muhammadiyah to accept the dream and ideal of condolence with friend, his friend in Belitung. The interesting thing about this novel is able to resurrect used not to despair if easy, wanted to accept a dream, thought you so well against a fellow friends and want to help each other. In the novel, Andrea Hirata slipped a clever question that continues to be implied. From the beginning of the story until the end of the story, there is a meaning in Malay language and how to read it. However, with all its beauty and kelebihannya, this novel makes its reader got a little trouble because of the Malay language. The prasa and kiasan in the sentence makes this story a little bit feel hard. However, this story remains alluring and filled with the message pilot can be contemplated and translated with deeper. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.